Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to share your invitations link of the group chat on Instagram application. So the first thing you have to do is open your Instagram application, sign and log in with your account. The next thing we need to do is just go make sure you are stay in the home sections, and after that just take a look on the top right corner. Then we click two options, which is this notifications and the chat options. So you just need to go click the chat one, and now you just need to open the groups that you have been created. And here is the group that I have been created, and there will be like several tools right here, and one of them is invitation link. To get the invitations link, go click it, and they will be bring you into the several option. Either you want to copy the link right away and then paste it into the others applications such as WhatsApp, Telegram, or anything that you communicate with your friends with, or you can also send them through the DM, or you can also have another sharing options. But then if you want to go click send in through Instagram, you just need to go click this part and it goes send into your friends. So that is the way how to share the invitations link for the group chat on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.